Hello folks, today I am out here taking a look at a home, and I was asked about the basement windows and the condition of them before they actually put new windows in. Make sure everything was good. Well, I wanted to share some things that I'm seeing with this particular window here. You see the snow and stuff's been sitting on this window, and now it's all rusted away right in through here. That means that I'm getting water that's getting inside of there and coming down. Probably maybe inside of the wall, inside of the house also, in the basement, but also you can see the water stains coming on the outside. You can also see now, see that little crack coming down here? This crack is also being caused by that water penetration getting into it. You got to make sure that we keep these metal window seals around framing, all of it sealed, painted, rust-o-leum, something, but it can't be left like this, or this is what happens. Well, thank you folks for watching our videos, and I hope this helps. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. Hey, and if you like what we see on our videos, hit like and subscribe. It would really help us, and share this with other people. Have a great day.